Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. The market's moving up here this morning. The count's not doing too bad. We've grown about $4,000 in the last, actually, it's more like the last 12 hours. So that's not too bad. So the count's doing well. Here's the diversification. I want to show this to you guys. Heavily into EOS. EOS is pumping. EOS is actually pumped up over 24% in the last 12 hours. So that's been ridiculous. Let's go over Bitcoin, guys. We are currently sitting at 91 for 91 wins on this channel. We have never lost a crypto trade ever, okay? We also just took a profit on here for Ethereum at 2.78%. It's definitely a smaller win here, but we also ended up taking a profit of 26.74% on Matic. It was a crazy trade over there. So if you guys watched the videos the last few days, you were able to see that. All right, in the second half of this video, I will show you guys how to get into the Telegram channel and how to take all of our trades so you guys can literally win these trades with us whenever they come out. It's very fun. Let's dive into Bitcoin. All right, here's the overall view of Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin could be heading back down again. That's kind of the view on this video, but I want to give you guys more proof of what I'm looking at. Here's a 1, 2, 3 touch. I'm calling this a 2. I know it's more touches, but I'm calling this a 3 touch. A 1, 2, 3 touch. We have an ascending resistance line on Bitcoin right now, as well as seeing the money flowing green here, price in pink, as well as the trend exhaustion pushed up into the top area. This is where I was expecting to see it drop back down for a couple reasons. First of all, these two indicators are the best indicators you guys can get to call drops in the market. Yes, we were able to predict the drop in the market here. Over here, if we guys simply look at when we moved in the top red section that was within these candles right up here, these 3 to 4 candles, and then we saw the crash back down, all right? We also were hovering up into this top area here, and the money flow hovered in a high area without dropping down, and this was telling me that this was overextended up here, and we were looking for the drop back down here. I show you guys on the other channels, like even on, or the other coins, like on Ethereum, called the last 13 drops with these two, 13, okay, 1-3 drops. The last 9 drops on Dogecoin as well with these two indicators, okay? So what I'm looking for is, yes, we're pushed up into the top section. That's where we've come from, and we could be starting to move back down here with also the ascending resistance line in the way. This is a break and a retest formation, possibly looking to move back down. Now, could this move up further and actually break this and continue to go up? Absolutely. I'm never going to give you guys just my side on the market on this channel. I will give you both. I honestly think it's why we're not losing any trades over here is because I'm not trying to give analysis and look at the market for what I want it to do. We prepare for losses every single trade, but we also look to see how we make money. And having wisdom to look at both sides and not tell yourself what you want to see when the market's going down, I think that's one of the reasons why we're doing so well over here. So let's make an argument here. If this does move up here, this will be bullish if we hit above this resistance right here because it will push us above the ascending resistance, okay? A break and retest could happen here, and we could actually start moving back up. I don't really want to come out with this target because it's going to be kind of unrealistic because you can technically take this trend line and move it out here, and you could maybe be projecting out here that we could be moving to another touch of the ascending resistance. Now, that's up around $80,000. I don't think we're going to get there without seeing a massive drop right around this area, which is going to be about $70,000, about $68,000, $70,000 in the market, okay? That is the next biggest target I do think Bitcoin has the potential to get to. Now, let's talk about this. Let's transition a little bit here. When we start seeing this move back up here in the top red section, you guys want to get these indicators. They're literally 81% off. Get them in the description, okay? This can show flash crashes that are going to happen in the market. And yes, there is a possibility of a black swan event where Bitcoin could be dropping very fast here due to basically some things people are talking about. I'm not even going to get into it. I don't think it's important to pay attention to it. I think what you guys should do is just set up your buy limits with good risk management. If we do end up crashing back down here, yeah, we might crash down to $30,000, but like Michael Saylor said, he said it best. He said, if you keep looking in the rearview mirror while you're driving for the bad things that are going to happen, you're going to crash because you're not paying attention to what's in front of you. Guys, well, a lot of people are freaking out about this. We just won 26% on Matic. And we're also we won the Ethereum trade yesterday, and we're already back into the Ethereum trade, and we're up 4.65%. This doom and gloom stuff, I am not a fan of. The only reason why I covered it on my channel is because it is ridiculous how much is getting pumped out there. That's not to say it won't happen. Hear me clearly. It's to say, stop looking in the rearview mirror of thinking, the doom and gloom is going to happen. Like, look at what's in front of you. Let's pay attention, have good risk management in case it happens, but let's make some money, guys. Like, we're already at $4,000 in 12 hours. like, let's make money in this market and not keep focusing on that. Okay, let's go over the metrics for Bitcoin, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to get into our trade setups so you guys can literally trade with us and keep winning trades with us for like literally we're going into 2022. I'm looking to possibly add a couple more coins in here, maybe one for the metaverse because you guys have been requesting that a lot. So it's gonna be a ridiculously awesome 2022. Just by the way, come over here. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, all of our metrics update. So let's take a look at this. We're still in the anxious section here. When the market's anxious, guys, I'm buying this market up. Now, full disclosure, guys, I don't trade Bitcoin. I don't. I trade Ethereum. I trade Ethereum, Polkadot, Dogecoin, Solana, Chainlink, Cardano, and EOS. Why don't I trade Bitcoin? Well, I can make more money with other coins because they're at lower prices. And when these go up with the same momentum, I'm going to make more money. Case in point, EOS is going up. Bitcoin is going up at the current moment on this candle. 24%. How much is this? Probably like 3%. That is why I like to trade the other coins that are just a little bit lower in price, because when price is lower and structures move the same momentum, not same price, but the same momentum with the same momentum movement, you will make more money because you're simply starting at a lower price. Okay? Simple mathematics there. Okay? Anxiousness. Entering into the market, we're buying. Move down here. Look at long and short trades. This is very interesting in the market here. Something that I think people are looking at right now is they've got this idea of, are we going to crash? They don't know what's going to happen. Guys, I'm going to be honest in here. I have more of an anticipation that the market could actually start pumping up here than seeing a $30,000 crash. Yeah, we can definitely see a higher low formation here, like maybe back down here, but I am not seeing this market from just what I'm looking at here. I'm not seeing a $30,000 or a $10,000 crash like some people are calling. I don't see it, okay? I think in the meantime, if that does happen, we are going to make a lot of money before that ever even happens, so I would be focused over here. I'm saying to you this because I can see just from the blockchain metrics over here, a lot of people don't know what the heck to do. So, okay, this is why it's so confusing for people right now and why this can be confusing for you guys. Long trades are moving out of the market. When the price is going down, demand usually takes over where long trades increase. Price action going down, long trades increase here. This is usually where people buy the demand and the price goes up. No, that's not happening right now. People are terrified because they don't know if it's going to crash. So even people in long trades, what are they doing? They're selling. Long trades are moving out of the market because people are selling and they're not even confident. So long trades are like, man, I don't know if we're good at the bottom yet. We should probably not buy in. And then it's kind of funny, actually a little bit, is that short trades are dropping out of the market because they're like, well, we don't know if we're going to go down. We might actually go up. So everybody's like in this, not everybody, but a lot of people are in this stage right now where they're like, what the heck is actually going to happen with the crypto market? Best thing to do is, honestly, I'm not to be arrogant about this, like, it's what we're doing. We're not losing trades. Get money into the market and have good risk management. So if it goes up, you're making money. And if it goes down, you have good risk management to manage your trades. Okay, this is how you guys trade profitably. All right, long versus short trade risk. We're looking at where favor lies in the crypto market. I absolutely believe favor is lying in the good long trade and great long trade section. I don't believe favor is lying on short trades at the moment. I believe it is on long trades, okay? Let me prove this to you guys again. Wells and institutions have been coming out and buying this dip like crazy. These guys know where the market's going. They've done it before. Last time we got into the excited and the greedy section up here when all the retail traders were freaking out thinking we're going to the moon. Nothing goes to the moon, guys. Get that out of your vocabulary. Everything will drop in time. What we saw here is that the short trades took over and it completely dropped the market out. This is why a lot of people end up losing money and why it went down so fast, because people FOMO'd in thinking we're going to the moon and they had to cut their losses because they got emotionally stimulated and somehow they've been programmed to think everything's just going to go up and go up and go up and go up forever. No, guys, that's not the case. Even those of you guys who got into, to these pumps right here and you guys are holding for long term, you're all in the loss right now while we've been winning all these trades. I'm not saying holding for long term is bad. Please hear me out. That's not a bad strategy. What I'm saying is if you spot trade in and out of the market, you can consistently win trades with us, and we're taking advantage of compound interest, which you cannot take advantage of when you hold for long term. Why? Because it's one entry and it's one exit for long-term capital gains. That's usually the goal. And I've already proven to you guys how we can make more money even with taxes on spot trading versus doing long-term capital gains bracket, okay? I know that's maybe a lot for some of you guys, but those of you who know the taxes on how you actually get taxed here, you have short-term capital gains that are taxed at your income bracket. You then have long-term capital gains, which hopefully Biden doesn't up the taxes. My personal opinion, don't want to get political here. It's going to ruin a lot of corporations if we get taxed at the brackets that he wants. Again, this is not a political channel, okay? That's just my opinion. It would be better for us in crypto here if the taxes did not go up for long-term capital gains because we'd actually make more money, okay? So let's move down here. Support and resistance prices here. What I'm looking for Bitcoin is the next strongest resistance is really right up here at $59,000, $60,000. So let's take a look at 60,000. 60,000 in the market right here is at this great strong resistance. This is nice because this will actually push us past the break-even entry and give us about 9% profit on the Bitcoin trade. So that could be happening soon. All right, let's come down here and take a look at a little bit more things. Dollar cost average entries. I'm looking for another entry to come out here, but basically this says, hey, if you've got $10,000 and you want to throw $1,000 in each green line and hold for the long term, this is not a bad area to look for entries. All right, this came out here and it actually showed us an exit point, which is very interesting on Bitcoin because this is actually where we ended up heading back down here, and we haven't actually come up across here. So as I've been telling you guys, I'm bullish on this. Again, this whole video is held in tension because there is a possibility that, yes, we could actually see another drop back down in Bitcoin based off some of the metrics that we have. There's a lot of indecision in the market. So let me show you guys how to trade this so you can get into both sides if we go up and you take advantage of the profits, as well as if we go down, you guys are protected. Here's what you guys want to do. To access all the metrics I'm about to show you guys that I already showed you, as well as the entries, you guys need to get our membership. It's literally only $49 a month. Cheapest membership you guys will ever get for the amount of win rates and the percentages that we're making. Gives you access to all the metrics as well as a Telegram channel in here, okay? Sign up for that today. Come over here to live trades with me. You guys are going to get access to all of these. Obviously, today we're talking about Bitcoin. I'm going to go into Bitcoin and show this to you, but know that you can click into any one of these and you're going to see the exact same thing. You're going to see the price chart in white, and you're going to see 4 buy limits with 1 sell limit. Here's how you guys trade Bitcoin. What you're going to do, and I'm going to pull this all together right here. If you have $1,000 in the market that you want to trade with Bitcoin, split it into 4 equal portions of $250 and place them at each buy limit. All right, like I said, I'm going to pull this together. If the market comes down and hits your buy limit, great, you're in the market, okay? If it goes up, you have money in the market to make some money. Great. If it goes down, you have some of the absolute best risk management possible with our buy limits in case it goes down so you guys can get back into the profit faster when we bounce based off demand taking over because Bitcoin's at a lower price. This is the absolute best way to trade crypto, and I'm proving it to you guys every day on this channel by 91 wins that we have. We have a lot more than 91, but 91 wins is what I've actually recorded videos on YouTube for. So there's actual video evidence of every single one of these trades that we've taken, as well as the Telegram channel has dates for everything. Everything's kept transparent, guys, and I'm even trading my own live account with you guys to show you proof. This is one of the channels where you guys want to follow if you really want to make some money in the crypto market. I think this is the best place to be. I know that's a little biased, but after all these win rates and the testimonials that we've been receiving from people, this is a great place to be, and I think you'll find confidence. Okay, let's get back to this. Entry into 4 different buy limits. Once your first buy limit is hit, you guys are going to set a sell limit at this price up here for 100%. So if the first buy limit's hit for 250 and you guys get in the profit, just set a sell limit. The sell limit, if you put it max in on your exchange, it's going to sell your profit and your balance. So that's going to be perfect. All right. Next thing to do down here is just basically the last step. You guys want to get into the Telegram channel, okay? The Telegram channel is where I'm calling exits with the indicators. Sign up for Telegram on your phone or your computer first, and then click this link right here. It'll open up a page on our website that's private for our members, and it will give you guys what's called a hot link. That hot link will actually put you guys over into the Telegram channel to give you guys access into all of the exits that I'm calling, as well as crucial market updates. All right, with the indicators. I'm telling you guys, I'm using this right here, the price versus the well money flow, the trend exhaustion. I'm making reference to this when I come out and I actually take calls in the market here. Look, the trend exhaustion, price versus well money flow is high for us, and we have not gone down here, is high for us not to have a move down here soon. This is why we took a 26% profit. Now let's get into the indicators and we'll end this video. This is what you guys want to get. The indicators tab is right here. It's also in the description. 81% off all of our indicators is what you guys can get right now. You guys want to get the price for swell money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion to copy my charts and look for exits with me. And this is also how we predicted pumps and drops in the market for Bitcoin, okay? This is what you guys want to get. It is literally the best deal possible because you guys not only get, 81, I'll say 60. You get 60% off if you buy them individually right now with the coupon code SAVEMONEY. This does not have a coupon code because I literally just dropped it to the absolute rock bottom price for 81% off, and we still have this sale going on. So make sure you guys are taking advantage of this. You guys get the source code to all of our indicators. There's not another company like this doing it out there. I wanted to give this to you guys to show that I really am committed to you. Some people will give you access and you have to wait for access on your TradingView account, and it takes about 24, 48 hours. That's great. The thing, however, is if that business goes out of business and you guys lose the indicators, that's not good for you. I give you guys the source code. So if Jesus takes me to heaven someday and the business has to shut down because I'm gone, that would be terrible. I don't plan on that happening. Point being, you guys get these indicators for life because you get the source codes and nobody can take them away from you. They are yours for life. That's why I do it for you guys. And I think that's probably why we've been, fairly successful over here, is because I'm giving these away to you guys. It's like Elon Musk giving away, the blueprints to, the batteries for Tesla and his cars, because he's like, hey, if someone else can do it better than me, then, let it be. So you guys get a personal license to all of the indicators. You cannot share them with another account. It's for one TradingView account only. I don't usually say this in the videos, but I wanted to say this now if you guys are listening. We can track these on TradingView. We can. And this is not you guys. I know this isn't, but we will take legal action if this is transferred over to other TradingView accounts. And you guys need to keep it on just one personal TradingView account. If you guys do that, you're fine. Put them on your accounts, trade with us, let's make some more money and dive in here. So watch for Bitcoin here as a possible break and retest, and then maybe a move back down. That wouldn't be surprising to see a move back down here, but I want you guys to watch the break of this resistance here where we could actually start getting bullish and start seeing a move back up and kind of getting people caught on the wrong side, thinking the drop's going to come where this actually just shoots up. Get into buy limits today with the membership, $49. Get this over here today before that goes up in price, because I am going to raise the price of this. Make sure you guys are getting into the buy limits over here and get into some trades, guys, so you can have some money in the market. In case it goes down, there's going to be really good risk management to save you there, as well as get into the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits. God bless you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys later. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at btradeconfident@gmail.com. Set up the indicators, set up the entries, get in the Telegram channel, and let's see if we can go 100 for 100 wins before the end of the month is over. God bless you guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.